wonderful to be with you again for a few moments in time. And I trust that you're having a great life and that life is being good to you and that you feel welcome in your own life. So today I want to share a few thoughts with you on the necessity to choose to be a participant in life. So often, due to all the pressures and all the challenges that we face, we choose to become spectators in our own lives. We don't participate. And as a human being, we have a very important intrinsic need, and that is to feel that we belong. So if you look at the word belong, be here for long. So we all want to have a long life. Long life to you, my friend, to belong. But in order to belong, you need to make yourself part of something. And that's what the word participation indicates, that you're making yourself part of so that you can belong, so that you can have a long life, that you can be here for long. Because when you participate, being a participant means that you're either in a state of giving or receiving, because life is not about giving and taking. Please, if you take, you leave somebody with less. It's always about giving and receiving. You don't have to ever take unless you want to take care of yourself. There's no need to take, because life is bountiful. It has an abundance that it wants to bless you with. No need to take. So yeah, being a participant means that you're either giving or receiving. So we each live in a world that we create for ourselves. Yes, we do. We create this world by the way that we think, by the way that we have decisions, by the way that we believe about things, our confirmation bias, our unconscious decisions, etc., etc. It's a universe of our own design. Because when you wake up in the morning, you're lying in bed, when that alarm goes off, you already have decided what your day is going to be like. Your level of tolerance has been set, your level of participation. Today I'm not going to participate, I'm not going there, nobody's going to get anything from me, that let them just push me, da 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 da. That's how you create your own universe. So, from today, let it be different. Create a world of your own liking, something that you wish to participate in. Our thoughts are our focus. When you have a thought, that's what directs your energy. Just like my glasses now. It's the way that I'm focusing. It's what's directing my gaze, my presence, my awareness, the way that I create my reality, the way that I create my world. So our thoughts are our focus. So observe your thoughts. Those thoughts that you wake up with early in the morning, that's when you create your day. That's when you choose to be a participant in life. And let me tell you, when you make yourself part of things, when you include yourself, when you participate, even if you don't feel like it, how often, really, with all the mundane things that you need to deal with in life every day, how often do we feel like doing things? But that makes no difference to the fact that they have to get done. So they've got to get done. Your mind cannot exist in this moment. This moment is the ever-present now. I read about The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This is the ever-present now. Your mind cannot exist here. Your mind only thinks you out of this present moment. It thinks you out of ways to participate. It thinks you into the past. It thinks you into the future. But it never keeps you into the present moment. And participation is so closely linked to your authenticity and your ability to trust yourself, to be spontaneous and to share yourself freely and exuberantly and lively. It's a risk sometimes because somebody may not like it. Somebody may think that you're being over the top. Somebody's always going to have a thought. Don't let that stop you from being a participant. And please, don't be a spectator in your own life. Spectators have no say in the game. They sit and make a lot of noise on the grandstand, but they don't have a say in the game. They don't have a say in who is walking away as the winner. You do, as a participant, as the one that's playing the game. And we're all playing the game of life. So go away today.
from this moment, give yourself permission. Always give yourself permission, because that makes you sovereign. That makes you the authority. I give myself permission to be an amazing participant today. I don't know how I'm going to do it, because you can't predict the future, but I'm going to do it in the moment, and I'm going to stay in the moment, and my mind's not going to take me out of it. So go forth. And surprise yourself today and be an amazing participant and surprise everybody else, because let me tell you, when you are being a participant, you're also being an example, and many others will follow, especially if you're spontaneous, because spontaneity, something that people admire greatly. So it was lovely to share these few moments with you. I trust that you're going to have a fabulous, participating, spontaneous, and in the moment day. Go and surprise yourself and give yourself permission to be pleasantly surprised. It works. And it was lovely to speak to you. Don't forget to press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it if you've received some value. See you soon. Such is life. Bye.